I've been expecting you. Take a seat. So I guess you know why I brought you here today.
Of course. I'm the greatest hacker in the world. When someone needs an impossible job done, they call me. So what is it you need me to do?
Well, you're right about that. But we need you right now. And we've tried so many times before, but all those attempts have failed.
So, what's the job?
We need you to hack into the White House and steal presidential information. You think you're up for it?
Are you crazy? That place is sealed up tighter than a Ziploc bag. It's impossible. You're gonna have to get someone else to do it. You're on your own.
I knew you were gonna say something like that, so I brought some collateral. If you do not help us, your dog will die. So you have a choice. Help us break into the White House security, or your dog is dead.
Let's get to it.